Yo, what's good? This is Aewon Wolf. Welcome to another exciting episode of how to make it in the South African music industry. Damn, I didn't sound so excited. Oh well, let's go. Most of you guys have probably been following the first two episodes. It's been a while since the first two episodes, and now it's the third episode. I know I took a break. Sorry, I've been busy. I've been living my life. I've been doing a lot of other stuff. I'm sorry, but not sorry. But I'm back, and I'll be more consistent this time. I'm gonna actually do a lot more, change the whole structure of the show. So what I'm gonna do with the show right now is not what I used to do, where I just spoke for 10 minutes straight, giving you guys everything you need. Now I'm gonna actually just talk to industry players, people that I consider my friends, people who are part of the industry, people who are so-called gatekeepers, but like people who actually have some clout in the industry and could probably give you some nice info and different point of views on how to make it in the South African music industry. So for the first episode in the new structure, even though it's episode 3, my first guest is a friend of mine. I'll let him introduce himself.
Yo, what's up? My name is RASHID K, organizer of Back to the City, SA Hip Hop Awards, producer One Mic, and Metro FM DJ. If you want to make it as a musician or as a rapper in the South African industry, first of all, invest in yourself. And I'm not even talking money, I'm talking invest in your craft, time, put 10,000 hours of work, perfect your craft. And then it's easy for people to invest in you if you already invested in yourself. And learn about the music business, man, the contracts, the music rights, everything. Know your worth, how much to charge for a performance, how much to charge for endorsement, so there's a lot. Talent alone is not enough, man. Like, you need to understand the 360 degrees of the music industry, and sharpen your talent every time.
Cool, so that was RASHID K. I hope you got all the info. If you didn't hear who he is, he's a TV producer. He produces One Mic, which is one of the biggest hip-hop shows in the country. I'm a judge on that show if you didn't know. But he's a producer on One Mic. He's a producer and DJ on Metro FM, one of the biggest radio stations in the country. He's an organizer of SA Hip Hop Awards, which is speak for itself. He's an organizer of Back to the City, which is one of the biggest festivals, hip hop festivals in Africa. So that's him. So if you listen to him, he basically pointed out two things. I'm just gonna go and touch a little bit on each subject, just to add my little 2 cents. So the first part, investing in yourself, doesn't mean money, like he said. It's basically putting the time and effort, yourself serious, so other people will take you more serious. If you don't do this, no one else will take you serious. You have to invest your time. If you don't have the money, invest your time. Time can equal money. Sometimes time is more precious than money, I believe. That's my personal belief. But if you're willing to put the time in, you can get some money out and a lot, because time is technically free. It's yours. It's yours to give, and give it to the right things and you will get the right things back. Second part, this is my 2 cents on the second part, the music business. Music business right now is in shambles, especially amongst you new cats, or a lot of the guys who are still on the come up, who are probably watching this video. You guys need to learn professionalism. Professionalism and in the music business, same WhatsApp group. That's what you kids say, right? Anyway, yeah, same thing. You need to be professional. You need to know how to invoice. You need to know how to quote properly. You need to know how to email properly. There's so much loss in terms of music business because people are not professional. Reason why these contracts are having a bad rap and record labels have such bad reputations because most people didn't read the contracts that they got into with the record label before, or understood or put the effort to understanding. So professionalism, business, same thing. And one other thing when it comes to professionalism and business, it's just learning. With everything, the time investing, the business, it's all learning. You need to do research. See, that's no business ever started thumb sucking and people guessing their way through the entire business. Most of those businesses which are thumb sucking and trying to figure out as they go probably fail. Businesses that do well do a long-term research plan. So that's what you need to do research. And the fact that you're watching this video means that you're doing your research with everything. If you want to know how much to invoice, like he said, if you want to know how much to quote for a performance or for a sync deal or whatever, research it, Google it. You guys have the internet. Use the internet the way it's supposed to be used and stop using it for trivial and gossiping and all these things that don't really matter. Because great people, or people who are going to achieve a lot, are the ones that are using the internet the way it's supposed to be used. Shout out to you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Show that you are part of that elite group of people who are special, and you use the internet for what it's supposed to be used for, and at the same time boost my ego a little bit. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. It's a lot shorter but more helpful. Stick around for the next episode. I'll probably put a link when it comes out. Look forward to seeing you next week. Awe.